Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Welcome back guys. We are going to get right into this video, and as you see here, we have the items that we will be using to do this DIY, like tabletop fire pit. Stay tuned. Guys, these are the tools that I'll be using to remove the panels off of the sides of the crate. I'm removing the panels because I want to close them in, close the gap. So I will be reinstalling these panels, but they will be close together. And I use the Gorilla Glue, all-purpose glue, and I also used a staple gun, which I didn't get a chance to keep in the video, but I did use a staple gun. After I glued it together, I set it to the side and I bound it with the tape so that it could make sure that they're going to have a tight, closed fit. And while that dried, I took all of the glass out of the frames. I use sandpaper to sand down the edges because they are sharp. And I slightly rounded off each corner of the glass. This is the sandpaper I used. It's a medium grade. And I'm going to clean off the glass with these alcohol wipes. I'll be using the popsicle sticks to close off the gaps at the bottom of the box or the bottom of the crate. Here you see it's finished. I also put tape, the painter's tape, where I'm not going to be using the paint. I'll be using that sponge brush to apply it. So basically guys, I just did the areas where the trim will be going, the mosaic glass trim. I just wanted to have a more neater, cleaner finish. I didn't bother to paint the bottom because that's going to be covered with the glass and stones. Once I finish painting the trim area of the crate, I removed the tape and I put 5x5 mirrors from the Dollar Tree on both ends of the crate. And here I will be applying the mosaic tile across the top end of the crate. And actually, I'll be putting that tile all the way around the top edge of the crate. And the sides will be left bare on the outside. That's what it looks like in place. And here I finished the trim, or I'm putting the final touches on the trim. And here is that result. Now I'm cleaning the glass off again, because you want to get as much dust and fingerprints off of it as possible, because two glasses will be sandwiched together. I'm using a ruler and a marker to mark my spots so I don't lose my place when I put the glue on the crate. After I applied pressure for a few minutes, then I went ahead to install the other glass plate. Make sure it's nice and even, guys. Do it quick, because that glue dries quick or it stiffens up thick. So I applied pressure for about 5 minutes. This is what it looks like. So far, so good. Right here, you see I applied a whole sheet of the 5x7 mosaic tile right on the outside. It was a perfect cover-up. I made sure to line up the mirror from the outside with the mirror on the inside. I'll be doing the same thing to the other side. This is where I put the glass and the stones in place. And right here, I am putting the gel in the votive candle holders. Just enough to show how the fire works. The bag that you see sitting on the side, I put that on top after I put the glass votive candle holders inside of the pit. And there it is, guys, the final look. Ooh, that looks so nice. Wow. It's a floating tabletop fire pit. And guys, this is a put my spin on it. This idea is from YouTuber Creative Living Lifestyles. So I put my spin on her idea. And if you want to see how she did it, go over to her channel and check her out. And I will also leave a link to her channel in the description below. Okay, let's see what it looks like lit up in this space. Beautiful. That's what you call ambiance. Look at how the flame reflects off of the glass on the inside. That looks so nice. Just imagine sitting down. The ambiance that will give off at a nice little get-together. Inside or outside, I would think. That's what it looks like on the bottom. So guys, if you like the content of my video today, give me a thumbs up for a like. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel. And hit that notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will know. And again, comment below. Don't forget to share, guys, because I heard that sharing is caring. Look at that. See how the mosaic mirror picks up the reflection? This is so cozy. And guys, here's another option. You can put actual tea candles inside. And this right here is a 4-piece tea candle holder. Okay, guys. There it is. The tabletop fire pit. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.